I feel very sick today.
I feel very sick today.
What is your problem?
Huh?
What is your problem? I have a fever and headache.
I have a fever and headache.
Please sit and relax.
Please sit and relax. Do I need medicine?
Do I need medicine?
Yes, you need medicine. Yes, you need medicine.
I feel weak and tired. I feel weak and tired.
Drink more water. Drink more water.
Can I go home now? Can I go home now?
Not yet, wait please. Not yet, wait please.
I have pain in my body. I have pain in my body.
Let me check you. Let me check you.
I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold.
You should take rest. You should take rest.
Is it serious, doctor? Is it serious, doctor?
No, it is not serious. No, it is not serious.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
When will I get better? When will I get better?
In a few days. In a few days.
Should I take this medicine daily? Should I take this medicine daily?
Yes, twice a day. Yes, twice a day.
I will follow your advice. I will follow your advice.
Good, stay healthy. Good, stay healthy.
I feel much better now. I feel much better now.